Sharik is the host for Infotech Tutor, and he explained very well.
If you want more free AI tools, so subscribe. Infotech Tutor now. If you want more free AI tools, so subscribe Infotech Tutor now.
So hello guys, once again I am with you, and this time again I have one AI tool website where you can generate 8 to 10 videos in a day. But when you will see the result, when you will see the output, it's really amazing. And if it's an old man, the sound will be for the old man. If this is the kid, the sound will be for the kid. So yani its voice and the video is amazing. So without wasting our time, let's move to our screen.
So guys, the first thing you have to search Qwen AI. You see there is Qwen AI, but no, this one will not use. You will see this logo, Qwen AI. You will click on it and you will connect with your Gmail because I already connected. So it's enter automatically. So you will write your Gmail address. You will see there are too many tools. You can use it. Now we will use video generator. I clicked on video generator, and here you can upload the video or you can do text to video, whatever you want. Suppose I want to upload the video, I will click on upload and I will upload an image, and I am doing image to video. Okay, just once the image will upload, you will write this prompt. Don't worry, I will give this prompt in the description. So only just you have to change the dialogue here and leave the same prompt, just change the dialogue here. Like I am giving this dialogue here, you can write any of the dialogue, and then you will click on generate, and then you will see the magic. See, the image is uploaded. I wrote the dialogue here, and then I click on generate. Now you can see the video is generating now. We can check now.
If you want more free AI tools, so subscribe Infotech Tutor now.
See the voice clarity and the video clarity. Yani if you can make 8 to 10 videos a day, it's more than enough. This is for the one account. You can use another account. So now I am uploading another image and I will try to create, see, you can download from here. Now I have uploaded the image, and again I will just change the dialogue. Okay, so 8 to 10 videos you can create, and then you can change your account, another Gmail address, or you can wait for 24 hours so it will renew. So I change the dialogue here, or I leave the dialogue as it is. Just I click on generate. So if you use another Gmail account, you can use again 8 videos. Now we check the result.
If you want more free AI tools, so subscribe Infotech Tutor now.
See, the voice and the video is very clear. Now I check with kid voice. Yani this is the young man or the so now I will check. I will upload one of the, you can download from here. Now I will upload an image for animated kit, and let's see the voice will change, or because in this website, the best thing, the age wise the voice will change. Now see, I uploaded this animated character. I just changed the dialogue here. I will leave everything as it is. I will change the dialogue here, and that's it. I click on generate, and again we will see the magic for this Qwen. Okay, your chat also is saving on the left hand side if in the future if you want to see. Now I am uploading, The video is generating now. You can see now the result.
Sharik is the host for Infotech Tutor, and he explained very well.
See, the voice has been changed. Yani it's a kid, so there is a kid voice. Yani its Qwen is automatically changing everything. So guys, you can download all the videos and you can edit in Filmora or CapCut or whatever editing software what you are using, and later on you can upload on your channel.
So guys, I hope everything is clear. It was not very long video. I am doing it because this I found it, so I wanted to share with you. And if you have any problem, you can ask me in the comment box. I will put the prompt in the description. You can copy the prompt. And again, I will say, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel. If you are my old member, my gold, so you can like, share, and again I will say, till the next video, take care, bye.